need to enable this access point config from network configuration. Okay, so you need to press this asterisk sign number, going number 4, press number 4. Okay, system management, and then go the number 6 is this one, press number 6 network configuration, and then press number 2, this one, access point config. Okay, so you need to add first admin. For this time I will put a code, okay, to activate the screen.
Register administrator.
First I will put my password, star and then pound, and then my chosen password, and then pound.
Please input again.
I will input again.
0, 0, 1, succeed.
Okay, for 001
Add user, press 1. Add
have no,
administrator, press 2.
password.
Delete user, press 3. System
So,
management, press 4.
to enable
Press
the
start to exit.
network, this one, we want this one, access point config. We need to go from here, going here, number 4, and then press number 6 here. Okay, so now we need to enter again asterisk sign number,
Please authorize.
authorization number, the user code.
Succeed.
Okay.
Add user, press 1. Add administrator, press 2. Delete user, press 3. System management.
System
press
management
unlock, press
will be
1.
4.
Enterprise detection, press 2. Restore factory setting, press 3. Language and volume setting, press 4. Time setting, press 5. Network configuration, press 6. Press Smart
Press 6,
Confine,
network
press 1.
configuration.
Access point confine, press 2.
I will press 2, access
Waiting
point.
for network configuration.
Okay, now I will go to my application. This one. I need to add device. Okay, I will choose the lock. So be smart lock. Turn manually, and then find for smart lock. Then HBL for another. Sir? Ayun sir. Ayun na. Wait.
Ayaw pa rin.
Then IP mode.
Pogi pa rin.
Access point mode. Nice.
Pogi pa rin.
Ay, nako. Bubak. Connect your phone to the hotspot shown below.
Perde, sinisira yung
Connect.
internet natin dito.
Oo nga. Nangyari sa
spotlight.
internet. Nagsira ni Perde.
You are connecting to Wi-Fi and secured open Wi-Fi.
Salaan na lang.
Okay, open Wi-Fi, okay.
Ano yan? Pag dumating si Amo dito, magtatanong na.
Connecting. Connected now. So,
7, 8,
trying to connect now. Smart Life.
Network configuration. Succeed.
Nakakonect pre.
Smart confine, press 1.
Anong ano yan?
Access
CST?
point confine, press
CST
2.
RMA?
Ano
Version
pala?
upgrade, press
Kukunik-
3.
Connect mo
Press
siya sa
start to exit.
hotspot niya.
CST RMA ba yan?
Una yung sinilik ko yung CST eh. Tapos kumunik sa hotspot niya.
Ito yung
Okay. Connect on that hotspot, sir.